Can you tell me why Python is good for beginners?
One reason to learn Python over alternatives like Perl is that it is more likely to be around in 20 years. That is on top of the larger code libraries and user community available for support.
I did not realize that Python was bigger. But is it better?
Python has strict rules on structure, but that means it is easier to learn how to program.
I heard it had orthogonal structures. Is it geometry?
You really are just starting out. That's a reference to programming structures, but it clearly describes the right way to code.
It also has a lot of constraints.
It is harder to land in the gutter if the lane had bumpers.
That's useful if I'm doing the equivalent of learning to ride a bike with training wheels.
One reason Python is good for beginners is the sheer volume of online training resources.
Like their code libraries, so I can borrow one for my computer science homework?
Like the user community to answer any question that is not already documented somewhere else.
Why else do you think it is good for beginners?
While Python can be used for enterprise-wide applications and scientific coding, you can use it to write desktop applications. In short, it is great because you can play with it on your PC long before you move up to professional hardware.
Whereas my parents would kill me if I broke my iPhone trying to practice Objective-C.
Python is also good because it encourages you to create code that is easy to maintain. You can transfer those skills to other languages that don't have that strength.
I've heard Python was one of the top languages every programmer should know.
Depending on whose blog you read, it is up there with Java and HTML.
HTML is easy, maybe something it takes you a long weekend to learn.
But Python lets you build apps and server-side software, something HTML won't.